Welcome to the 7th tutorial on philosophy in Islam. We will be looking at the problem of evil and suffering, the problems that suffering creates for Muslims, about the nature of Allah and why suffering makes some people not believe in Allah. The problem of evil and suffering asks questions like why an omnipotent, benevolent and omniscient God would allow for there to be evil and suffering in the world. Why do we have earthquakes, war, disease and child abuse? Why does Allah allow these things? Can you think of the two different kinds of evil? There are two kinds of evil that lead to suffering. Moral evil, which is suffering caused by humans, like war, murder and bullying. And natural evil, which is suffering caused by nature, like drought or earthquakes. The Quran shows that Allah is omnipotent and benevolent. If Allah has these qualities, then why does He not stop suffering in the world? The inconsistent triad is the argument that God cannot be all-loving and all-powerful while evil exists. If 2 points of the triad are true, then the third must not be true. We know that evil exists, so if Allah is benevolent, He would want to get rid of suffering, so therefore cannot be omnipotent. Or, if Allah is omnipotent, He has the power to get rid of suffering, so cannot be benevolent. In the exam, you might be asked to outline the problems the existence of suffering may raise for those who believe in God. You might also be asked to argue for and against whether the problem of evil and suffering proves God does not exist. In summary, the problem of suffering questions the idea of a benevolent and omnipotent God. Atheists argue that the existence of suffering proves God does not exist.